Testa's Tuesday tips. For one, I'm calling yet another ear liner tip. Okay, on the baby zebra project, I was checking the ears out. Just, seeing whatever I got to do, and I'm going, okay, well, I'm looking at this. What am I going to do for an ear liner? Oh, God. Do I go out of business again? So I said, oh, it kind of looks like this or that. I got my regular zebra ear liner out for a full size. Then I went through my drawer. I always say keep a stock of every kind of ear liner because you just don't know. And I decided that I'm probably going to use a large wild boar and lay the cartilage out, cut it out, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work. In fact, I'm like almost positive. So yet another boring ear liner tip about how you should have a supply of ear liners. That way, you don't go out of business when you get something that you don't usually mount. I always say they're almost all similar, And worst case scenario, absolute worst case, we could take some ear liner that was close, boil the water up, flatten it out, reshape it by tracing the original cartilage and make one that way. But we're not going to have to do that on this one. I'm sure that when I trim this leading edge, trim this around, and it's going to be in there. So anyway, thanks for tuning in to Testa's Tuesday Tips. We'll see you next time.